Amnesty International confirms that Israel has expanded the use of facial recognition systems in Gaza and the West Bank. According to Amnesty International, Israeli forces have been installing cameras on routes taken by Palestinian refugees, for example, when they flee from North Gaza to the south or from Rafah to Al-Mawasi. They added temporary checkpoints and deliberately slowing down the movement of the refugees to obtain biometric data on all Gazans and store their images in databases. One of the systems that IDF has traditionally used is called Wolfpack, which works by transmitting data from facial recognition system in Gaza to the operations room in Israel, then back to the soldiers on the ground. The Washington Post revealed another system, Blue Wolf. The newspaper reported that Israeli authorities were incentivizing military units to capture the largest number of Palestinian faces, rewarding them with paid leave. Another system called Red Wolf was introduced, in which Palestinians are identified by entering through a revolving door at checkpoints without them knowing that they are being subjected to this electronic examination. Amnesty states that it is dangerous to rely on computers to identify Palestinians without talking to them and learning about their circumstances.
So the problem with facial recognition technologies in general is that they are incompatible with international human rights law from the beginning by design. The reason why that is the case is because facial recognition technologies, especially facial recognition for identification, relies on the mass scraping and downloading of people's images, often from social media, without their knowledge and consent. So it's not a limited database; it's a very, very large database, and so it violates people's right to privacy even before the technology is deployed. Secondly, we know that it's in violation of the right to equality and non-discrimination because of the technical biases that exist within the system.
The organization confirms that the use of these devices represents a repudiation by countries of their obligations under international law and pinning their mistakes on electronic systems, artificial intelligence, or facial recognition.